Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, we've made it to day 10 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas, which means the big day is right around the corner, and I could not be more excited. And man, have we got some cool prizes for today's giveaway. But before I get to this, I've had a few viewers ask me, Rick, you're not going to tell a joke and sing a song every clip, are you? Of course I am. It's the holidays. So what do you get when you eat Christmas decorations? Tinselitis. On the 10th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Osmo Action and a bunch of Drone Valley accessories. You couldn't possibly be giving this away. Yeah, we're giving all this away. So our good friends over at DJI sent us this Osmo Action, and we're throwing in a bunch of Drone Valley accessories to get you started. Now, this Osmo Action is an incredibly good action camera. I've talked about it in the channel before. I'm in love with this camera, and I use all of them. Sorry, GoPro, but I like this one a lot better. It's got 4K 60 frames a second recording. It's got rock solid image stabilization, so it's digital image stabilization, and I swear that they stole technology from NASA to make it that stable. It also records in slow-mo, it'll do hyperlapse, it's waterproof, it's got a front-facing screen so I can see exactly what I'm recording when I'm looking at it. It's the perfect camera to take on vacation. In addition to that, we're giving you a couple of Drone Valley accessories. So I'm giving you screen protectors that you can apply to the front and back screen so you don't scratch it when you throw it in your bag. We're giving you a universal clamp. This is unbelievably cool. You can put it on the bottom of the camera and you can clamp it onto stuff and walk around with the camera, so it really works well. We're also giving you an audio extension cable. If you're going to record with this, you're probably going to use a lapel mic. It's too short to reach the camera, so this gives you 6.5 feet of high quality extension cable for the audio to make it easier for you to actually record the audio. So all of this stuff's included in the giveaway, and it couldn't be simpler to enter the contest. Look below, you'll see a link. Hit that link, enter your email address. After 7 days, I'm going to pick one winner, give all this stuff to them, and again, I don't care where in the world you live. We'll ship it to you free. There's no strings attached, no shenanigans, and again, I don't care where you live. You could live on Oak Island up there in Nova Scotia, which, by the way, I love that show. I think it's really cool, and I just wish they'd find something already, but you can live anywhere in the world. We're going to put it in a box and ship it to you free of charge because we love giving this kind of stuff away. Now, I'll also put links below because coincidentally, DJI's got this camera on sale right now at an insanely low price up until the first of the year. So if you don't win the contest and you still like the camera, you can hit that link and go buy it. So if that's what you're looking to do, it'll be down there. Anyway, I'm really happy to give this stuff away. We have 2 more days left. I have Christmas Eve and Christmas, and those 2 prizes are insanely cool. So pay attention to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel because you're going to notice that we put a new clip up and you know to come back. But pay attention to the channel over the next couple of days because we're giving away some incredibly cool stuff in addition to all the other stuff we gave away so far. So thanks an awful lot for watching. I've had a lot of fun putting these together. I'm almost done and I'm exhausted. So I hope you guys are getting a kick out of this. Anyway, thanks. And until next time, happy flying.